Ethereum is testing a crucial support level, and if that sounds interesting to you, make sure to continue watching this video. Hey guys, Pingu Charts here. Welcome back to another Ethereum analysis video. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in a free $600 Bitcoin, make sure to check out the link in the bio. As you guys can see on Ethereum yesterday, we had a beautiful move to the upside, and I mentioned this to you guys many times before, the fact that if we hit this resistance level, it might be a good idea to wait for that test confirmation before entering that shorting position. You can see that we had a W formation for sure, and the W formation completed right here, so a lot of traders started to enter those short positions, hoping the fact that they would actually move. You can see that pretty much as soon as they entered the next 4-hour candlestick, we had this huge wick to the upside, another short squeeze, and then we had that double top confirmation at 1371 before we finally consolidated back down to the support level. Does this mean that we are now ready to enter that overall short? Not at all, because of the fact that we are still bouncing on the support level here at 1331 with multiple wicks, and the fact that the exponential moving averages are also using this as support and continuation forward. Now, of course, there are some bearish candlesticks here. You can see that we are seeing some sort of rejection candlesticks here, but as long as we hold above this 1331 level, we can still look for a short-term momentum trade to continue pushing further. The next level of interest is obviously going to be around that $1,423 level, and because of the fact that we haven't really tested that level at all. You can see that we've pretty much entered this area multiple times and failed to break above, but now this is becoming the 5th test, and usually on the 3rd, 4th test, you'll see a breakout formation. So whether or not this is just going to act as a consolidation range again, or we will actually see a larger move set, possibly breaking that 1421 and heading on further. Ethereum has been testing this level multiple times, but you can see we didn't quite get that test to this exact resistance level. We got pretty close right over here with this wick right at 1405, but we haven't gotten quite near that level since. As of right now, though, as long as we stay above this 1331, we can start looking for the next resistance level for that trade, right? You don't want to be entering that short until you get that confirmation breaking below this 1331, acting as resistance, and then you'll get the confirmation to actually enter that shorting position. Now, over here on the lower time frames, we can have a much better understanding what exactly is happening, and you can see that we've bounced off this level multiple times. You can see we had 1, 2, 3 tests already for this lower time frame confirmation, and now it looks like we are ready to continue pushing further. Now, of course, this could also be a fake out because of the fact that we haven't had a clean breakout formation as of right now from the exponential moving averages, and you guys already know I don't like trading these kind of ranges, but this is the lower time frame. On the higher time frames, we are still above those EMAs, and we are still pushing further on up, so that's definitely a good sign. You can see that as soon as we hit that overbought level, that was the entry to technically take that shorting position because of the fact that we overall hit that wick level, right? I've mentioned this to you guys many times before, the fact that if you start trading the wick specifically, you can start to look for an idea when to get out of the trade. I know a lot of traders were probably looking at this candlestick and saying, oh yes, we're at this resistance level, so we should be fine to enter that shorting position. When you're trading something like that, you want to be very, very careful about entering a shorting position near resistance because of the fact that you have to look where the next wicks are, or the highest point of the wicks. You can see that we had multiple wicks over here. We had the same sort of breakout formation as well right over here, and then that continuation to the downside. That's what you're looking for these kind of wicks, is where you'll be looking for the next area, right? And you can see pretty much how perfectly this played out. As soon as we hit that wick level, then we corrected and continue pushing further down. But that's pretty much all I have for you guys today. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in that free $600 Bitcoin, make sure to check out the link in the bio, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day.